Our next presenter is Zhangxing Chen from the Schulich School of Engineering at the University of Calgary. Internationally renowned in chemical and petroleum engineering research, Zhangxing Chen holds the NSERC Alberta Innovates Energi Simulation Senior Industrial Research Chair. His exceptional work has led to the establishment of the most prominent collaborative consortium and a spin-off company. Among his numerous accolades, he is a Fellow of the Canadian Academy of Engineering and the Engineering Institute of Canada, and has received NSERC's Synergie Award for Innovation and the Fields-CAIMS Prize.
Hello, everybody. I'm very pleased to give a short presentation about my research. My research involves energy and digitalization. I'm from University of Calgary. Digitalization contains a lot of areas. For instance, big data, artificial intelligence, internet, cloud computing, and so on. Today, my presentation focuses on big data and artificial intelligence. Big data means those data human brains couldn't handle. Nowadays, it's in the range of zettabytes and brownbytes. Big data experienced a big explosive development in 2005. For instance, in 26, it is in the range of 108 exabytes. As I mentioned a moment ago, nowadays is in the range of zettabytes and brownbytes. When we deal with big data, we're trying to acquire useful information from data. And there's another concept, the big data analytics. It involves 5 V's, such as varieties, volume, variability, value, and velocity. These 5 V's must satisfy certain conditions so that we're able to use big data analytics. Also, artificial intelligence is a big area. It contains machine learning, and machine learning contains deep learning. Machine learning is a technique to realize artificial intelligence, and it essentially consists of supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Energy has evolved from high carbon to low carbon and then to non-carbon. And it reflects the evolution of human civilization and industrial revolution. In fact, industrial revolution, energy evolution, and digitalization, they are closely relevant. For instance, so far we have 4 industrial revolutions. So you can see energy, digitalization, all evolved in the same times. Energy efficiency evolves and is changing because digitalization enables greater control, optimization, and analytics. There are some ground challenges. On one hand, digitalization potentially offers great improvement in energy efficiency. On the other hand, more devices in digitalization will increase energy use. We have to find a balance between the usage of digitalization and the potential negative impacts. The potential solution is to find a way to maximize the benefits for energy efficiency and minimize the negative impacts. Actually, I believe we achieved this. Let me now talk about some case studies using digitalization. I have been involved in some of the case studies I mentioned here. For instance, the first use of digitalization is to find hydrocarbons. And industries use sensors to find hydrocarbons from airplanes. The second use of big data and artificial intelligence, or essentially digitalization is to use big data analytics and artificial intelligence to analyze massive seismic data to locate hydrocarbons such as gas, oil, and water. And the third application of digitalization is to speed up softwares. And there are a lot of industrial simulation softwares. If digitalization is used, all the software could be speed up 50 times faster. And the first use of digitalization is to improve, for instance, oil production or energy production and reduce operation costs. For instance, these are some examples by Synergie, a big company in Canada, and ConocoPhillips. And the fifth study is to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to dictate the pipeline leaking systems. And the detection of pipeline leaking has been done manually. Nowadays, industry use artificial intelligence to automatically dictate or test leaking systems. Also, in the refining plants, companies now use wireless sensors to detect the behavior of real data of oil refining equipment. Again, this has been done manually. Nowadays, companies using big data analytics and artificial intelligence technology. And the Tesla cars is an excellent example for integration of big data and artificial intelligence. It uses artificial intelligence to realize auto driving and parking. And today I give a short presentation. Here's my contact information. If somebody is interested in the digitalization and energy efficiency, here's my email. Yeah, here's my email. And also I would like to thank my industrial sponsors and this have supported me in all the past years for my research in digitalization and energy. Thank you very much.